Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how we can add the fingerprint sensor to the Samsung Galaxy A25. So let's begin the video. To begin with, first of all, you need to open up your settings, scroll down a bit and you will find the security and privacy. Tap on it and here inside go to the biometrics and you will get two options, face recognition and fingerprint. Select the fingerprint. It shows a glance at the features of the fingerprint scanner on this device. For added security, you need to enter your PIN, pattern or password from time to time as a backup to your biometrics. Tap continue. For added security, before you can add your fingerprint, you need to set up a secure lock. It can be PIN, password or pattern. Let me choose the pattern. Draw the pattern you like, tap continue, redraw it once again and tap confirm. Now it is the time to add the fingerprint. So locate the fingerprint sensor on the phone. It is right now located on the right side of the device below the volume keys. That is the side key, which is also called as the power key. Next, place your finger on the sensor and lift it. When the percentage goes up, the percentage here starts moving. Repeat it until you finish the complete scanning. You need to change the position of your finger when prompted to cover the entire finger. Now once finished, you will get this message fingerprint added. You can add another fingerprint by tapping on add and you can add up to 5 fingerprints. You can do this later on as well. Now tap done to finish adding the fingerprints. Now the setup is complete. Let's test it out and see if the lock screen is going to be secure or not. As you can see, I'm just locking and unlocking the device quite easily using the side mounted fingerprint scanner, which is going to be great, nice and fast. So guys, that is in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.